Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 10 links. Exciting. So I'm going to show you the URL slides first, of course. Then we're going to go to each and every site. Reason being is I want you to see the content on the pages. It might not be a fit for your brand. This can also help you decide, is it going to be tier 1, tier 2, tier 3? Mostly tier 2, sometimes tier 3. But then we're going to look at the Moz metrics. And sometimes if they're powerful enough, it's something special. If there's a low spam score, you might even want to just point it right in. It's up to you. But I'm going to give you some time to take a look at the URL slide here, and I'll show you the next. Give you a moment too, of course. Come in here, let's go back. Let's see our next 10. 95 slides we've gone through. Been a lot of fun. I numbered these just for fun in the very beginning of the training, but let's not waste time. Let's get into it. DA52, starting it off with Doodle Ordy. You're gonna want to go ahead and just sign up or create an account. Create, then sign in. Be able to create your very own little Doherty. Doodle Ordy. Doherty. Moving on to the next. Ad poll looks like they're down. They could be staging. They could be fixing something. They're adding something. Who knows? I know it's a do follow. It's a guarantee or would not be on my list. Moving on to the next. So the next is going to be crunchyroll.com DA91. Not a bad looking link, right? Go ahead and try premium. Go ahead and give it a try, but needless to say, it's definitely worth having. Create your profile, and that's exactly what this is, a profile. Moving on to It's My URLs. So this is a really easy one. Get connected. Just go ahead and sign up. Put in your website. 10%. It's got a little bit of a spam score, but have some fun. Put in a couple links. Link to each other. Create a profile. Link it to itself. Double the whammy. Right? Moving on, Spreaker.com. These are podcasts. I tried to add as many of these as possible as the ones that I found that you could add in that would give me a do follow. I added them to my list, so it's here. Moving on to the next is Lomography, DA72, low spam score. Go ahead and create your account. Have some fun with it. Let me see if there's that's an account. It's a profile. I thought maybe you could get a page out of this, but no, it's just a profile. Moving on is mootools.net DA75. Its own little class library here. Okay, so for Moo Tools, I don't see anything here. Did I add this? See, I've gone in and I've added, I've added just random ones. Sometimes I kept better track than others. That isn't a lie, right? I've put in better directions for myself. So what you want to do here is click on Forge, right? So click on Forge, right? See, how would you know that unless I told you? You'd have to click on everything. And then once you're inside of here in Forge, then you can do a sign, all right? So that's how you get this one, DA75. Moving on to the next is Feedbooks. So with Feedbooks, you'll be able to sign up right here. Just go to sign in and then it'll ask you. Moving on to the next is Iced.com. Little spam score, DA74. You can go ahead and give it a try. Your Research Anywhere. Save all of your stuff like they've been listed. In any case, it's a link. Let me just double check here because I don't see Iced. Huh? I have the stuff that you... Well, I'd go in here and I think I got the trial. Ah, that's what it is. That's why it's gone. You got to wait for them to be accepting because that's what we were doing. You go in there, we were creating and joining so you could set up, get started. You were able to create like a little account. They might be accepting some, so maybe bookmark it. It's a DA54, but it has a spam score, so it's up to you. That's why the button wasn't there, was because they're not accepting people at this time at least. So next, last but not least, is Reality Sandwich. What a cool name. Reality Sandwich. These ones are newer or older. I don't remember these at all. So I guess we can start here. I do know it's on my list, so you will need to verify this one and you'll be able to create your own little resource, which hopefully won't be anything like this one here. So we had a lot of fun with this one. That was another 10. A couple little goodies within this one. Spreaker's definitely one of those goodies. I really like that one. Why I like these kind of distributed all over. You end up accumulating a bunch of links from placing at one time. So it's almost like a little distribution hub. Podcast places are hot as far as, building tier 2 links. So it's been an absolute pleasure. I definitely look forward to seeing you in the next training.